Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location you are watching me from. This is Love Ada Family TV. Today, I would like to talk about avoiding criminal acts. Firstly, what is criminal behavior? Criminal behavior can be defined as an act that violates the public law. Now, the ways we can avoid criminal acts: 1. Fear of God. Fear of God. Because if you do not have fear of God, you will still be continue having that criminal behavior or acts. 1. Taking of alcohol. Taking of alcohol can lead to mental issue, can make you to continue having criminal act in you. I used to hear that somebody used to beat his wife. Why? Because of alcohol. And another one, because of alcohol, somebody is in prison for raping a girl. Now, the ways we can avoid things, we have contentment. If you are not satisfied with what they gave you, if you are not satisfied with what your family give you, you continue having that criminal act in yourself. Self-control. You don't have self-control. Avoiding bad company, like your bad friends. If you continue having bad friends, there's one day, yes, my friends was taking somebody's fish, and I asked them, is the fish for you? Have you paid the person the money? Where is the person? They said that they have paid the person money, that I should wait. Immediately they took speed. Me, I was still innocent. I stayed there and wait. Now we have bad peer pressure. Let me take this as an example. My parent does not have money, so somebody of your parents, you do not even know them, told you to go to human traffic, that they are going to take you abroad, this and this. Because of you don't have money, you do ashawo. It's not good. This is Love Ada Family TV, and I give you assignments. Write it in the comment section. Give me 10 ways to avoid criminal acts or behavior. Thank you.